Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you these fairy lights that a company from Amazon called Want sent to me. I've used fairy lights before. You can use them for many things. I've been wanting to put some lights, as you can see here, on my headboard, and it totally changes the vibe of the room. It looks more romantic, more like, yeah, like me. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. The lights come well packed. I did get 2 of them, and when you open it up, of course you get the string of lights, and you also get the wall adapter, and you get a little kind of push switch. That is how you turn on the lights. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out, put it together, and start putting it on my headboard. So these are the lights when they're on, and you push the button and they're off. So that's the headboard. I'm working on this during the day, and one of the things that I like about these fairy lights is that you can twist them and make them however you want to, in any shape or form that you want to. You just maneuver the cord, and that's exactly what I wanted for my headboard. So yeah, this is the final result. Well my friends, I hope that this quick unboxing helped you. You do have a discount code of 10%. Don't forget to check it out in the description box, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.